It's a good thing no one's here at this moment. Now to replace all of the good gifts with bad gifts. Now to put some bad presents under the tree. Okay, almost finished. Now to put this last bad present in Alfie.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh no! Busted!
What is going on here? Who are you?
I'm Santa Claus. Aren't you kids supposed to be in bed at this point?
We don't believe that trash. You're not the real Santa because he doesn't come until the night, and it's still daytime.
It's all a dream, you children.
Then, what are you doing with our presents?
I swear, I'm not doing anything with them.
What the? There's coal inside of these gifts. Let me see who's behind that Santa outfit.
Before you say anything, I have something to say. I replace your gifts with bad ones.
Well, Toad, that was very naughty of you, young man. How dare you did that?
That's it. You're grounded for the last 2 weeks of 2022, which is this week and next week. Go to your room right now and stay there.
Well then, guys, let's put the real presents back under the tree.
Now we got the real gifts under the tree instead of those terrible ones Toad replaced. Now we can play in the snow at last.